The future of Airbnb, is it bright? Airbnb, since its inception in 2008, has revolutionized the hospitality industry by providing an alternative to traditional hotels. As we look to the future, several factors suggest a bright outlook for Airbnb, albeit with some challenges that need addressing. Technological innovations enhanced user experience. Airbnb continuously invests in technology to improve user experience. The introduction of AI-driven recommendations, virtual tours, and enhanced search algorithms helps users find the perfect accommodation easily. Smart homes integration. As smart home technology becomes more prevalent, Airbnb properties equipped with smart locks, automated check-ins, and other smart devices will offer greater convenience to guests. Market expansion. Diverse offerings. Airbnb has expanded beyond just homes and rooms. Experiences, where hosts offer activities such as guided tours, cooking classes, and more, provide additional revenue streams and attract different customer segments. Business travel. Airbnb is making inroads into the business travel market, offering more tailored services for corporate travelers, including specialized search filters and partnerships with companies. Economic and social trends, remote work and travel. The rise of remote work has led to the work from anywhere trend. More people are choosing to travel while working remotely, staying in Airbnb properties for extended periods. Sustainability. Airbnb is focusing on sustainability, promoting eco-friendly properties and practices. This aligns with the increasing demand from travelers for sustainable travel options. Challenges and solutions. Regulatory hurdles. Many cities have imposed regulations on short-term rentals to address housing shortages and community concerns. Airbnb is working with local governments to find mutually beneficial solutions, such as limiting the number of nights a property can be rented. Competition. The rise of competing platforms like Vrbo and Booking.com means Airbnb must continually innovate to maintain its market lead. Trust and safety. Maintaining trust and safety remains crucial. Airbnb is investing in verification processes and customer support to ensure a safe and reliable experience for both hosts and guests. Strategic moves, partnerships, and acquisitions. Airbnb's strategic partnerships and acquisitions, such as the acquisition of Hotel Tonight, help diversify its offerings and enhance its market presence. Global reach. Airbnb's global reach, with listings in over 220 countries and regions, provides resilience against localized downturns. The company can tap into emerging markets with growing tourism sectors. Financial health, strong financial performance. Despite the setbacks from the COVID-19 pandemic, Airbnb has shown strong recovery signs, with increasing revenue and bookings. The company's ability to adapt quickly to changing circumstances bodes well for its future. Conclusion. The future of Airbnb appears bright, driven by technological advancements, market expansion, and adapting to new travel trends. While challenges such as regulatory issues and competition exist, Airbnb's proactive approach and innovative strategies position it well for sustained growth and success.